Hi, welcome to another video on my Arduino Yun with fischertechnik XS motor with propeller and fischertechnik switch and some electronics. Last time I tried to get this small motor running using pulse width modulation, and that still did not work. What I also did was mock up a pop meter to actually read an analog value. So this switch is taken out of order, so to say. I'll let it in. But using this resistor, I read a value, and then this value is used to get a value to the motor so it runs. Unfortunately that doesn't work yet, and I can start off with getting in the serial monitor some characters, so it can look as if something really works. I give now the input of quite a few characters. There it goes, and you see here, you see here the LED burn. This LED burns, but the motor doesn't do a thing. So that's not as intended. The characters are out of buffer, and the question is, why does it do this way? Problem is probably that it is given to the wrong registers, and although I have some very nice information on the other Arduino I'm using, it is not the same. There are not the same number of pulse width modulation pins, and also some information proved to be not correct last time. Which brings me to changing code. But also, is this really everything connected? Reseat everything. Well, this is too easily disconnected. I think I may have to reseat this wire. So it gets unobstructed in any way. What helps is that it is single core wire, so I don't have to twist anything. Other than that, this is how it is. Still not working, unfortunately, but let's get a look at the code so that we eventually can get the motor working. So after this short look at the Yun and the breadboard, with some testing along, close by foreign host, alright, I'm fine. First I have to do some tidying up, because this is, although this uncommented, no, commented in, I have to do some tidying up, because this was literally copied from the Arduino Mega 2560 code, and pin 4 is not among the pulse width modulation pins available on the Yun. Neither is 2. 5 is, and 3 is, and 6 is, but 7 and 8 are not. Going here, it is basically the same. So 4 has to go, 2 has to go, 3 and 5 can be there, and the rest has to go. Which doesn't mean that that is everything. The point is also that there is 9, 10, 11 as well. The only thing is, if I look right here and I go to the official information, then I say pin 10. Alright, there are no matches. And is there a match with pin 3? No match. So if I do like this, no match. Output 3, maybe, no match. So it is not easy to do it the same way, because I don't have the same information. That said, I have added the 4B register. Since there are several registers for pulse modulation, I have yet some problems getting the info from this document, although it has clearly put, and let's go there, I think. I should rather do it here. These are the pins that are available, so you can see for yourself. Now I will upload this and then see if something changes, and then I if this is indeed for say pin 13 to be 61 Hz, I will find out soon enough, or on 3 and 5, provided they are the same pins. Otherwise I'll have to measure on each and every pin, which I rather would not do. So verifying, and the rest, by the way, is exactly the same. I didn't change any of the code. Alright, it says thank you, so everything is uploaded. Some more characters. Sending. And this is not alright. Well, the LED with the transistor does a nice job, but the motor isn't doing anything. Where is the motor connected to? That is to pin 3. And looking here, pin 3 was here. Now another thing is, of course, I have here pin 3, pin 4, pin 11. So actually I should add here several pins that match these, which means I have to add 4 as well, 5 that is.
and I'll have to add 6. Although here I have now digital in, but digital in was for the switch, so I take this one out. Oh wait, I'm doing double stuff now. All right, this will be 6 then. Getting a little bit messy, but okay, so be it. And pin 13 has to go in yet. Alright, much more. 10 and 11. Still have to go. And then it is hoping that with changing some cables, some wiring, it starts to work, but that's experimenting. Let's save. Upload. Oh no, not upload yet, because I still have to do 9 and 10. So remaining pins are 9, 10, and 11. So let's add them. No, 11 is already there. This will be 9. And 10. And then it is logical to have things a little bit in sequence. So let's do this, and then of course these two. Is a little bit more logical. And then we have 3. Alright, let's do this one as well. Right, 3, 4, 5. No, 4 is not for PWM. It's just an output. So then, what is analog in? This is also an PWM pin, but right now I am using it for the resistor pot meter. So I won't use that for the other one, and if I look here, for this timer I still have pin 3, so that is alright. Pin 6 is on 4, that is alright. 9, 10 and 11. I don't know on which they these are, on which timers. I don't know. But I can always check on it. So what is then to do? Right now it is on 3. So I can easily put it to timer 4, which is pin 6, and see whatever that makes. So I will make this PWM. And this one as well. So let's see how this works out. Then it is of course nice to have it around here, because 3 then becomes 6. Yes, 3 becomes 6. And 11 is being used as another one, also as an output. But this, alright, 6. Let's see how this works out. Alright, no problem yet. Authorization fail. How so authorization fail? Because I have to do this? Ah, yes. Once again. Now it works. So, let's go to the circuit and see whatever happens.
So before trying the whole thing, I have to relocate this cable, and because it is a bit short cable to be put in 6, I will replace it. So this one is going right here, if it lets me. Right. I can let this be, but let's put this one in here. Alright. Verify it's in 6. Yes, it is in 6. Then characters through the serial monitor. Whole bunch of them. Send. What will happen? Not a thing. Absolutely not a thing. What frequency do we have? That is a very nice question. So in comes the multimeter. Setting to frequency. And then all I have to do is measure some value, which hopefully tells me something about, okay, 14. I'll readjust the cam angle a bit. Measuring 15 kilohertz. Well, experiments already have proven that that would be enough for a motor for this. No way. Look at that. This may be called a success. it actually works. So apparently with the latest software change it really does work. The question is, can I adjust the frequency? Probably I can with another value in the register, because now I have pulse width modulation running. So let me try to do that quickly. Although one thing should be noted, that I am no longer in characters. I'm out of characters. So let me add some characters before doing anything else. And send them. And there is no change in what you can say behavior. When I measure, there's no change. It is still 16 kilohertz. But the motor works. Alright, so what did this say? Characters needed? Apparently not. Pulse width modulation in there? I guess so. Alright, back to the code.
Alright, so this works. Now the big question is, can I change this? So I am going to change this to another setting. I make this 1. To be sure that it goes to everything, I make everything 1, and I'll worry about which is for pin 6 or output 6 later. Is this alright? Let's just do it. And then I hope... okay, uploading. Right, it says thank you, but connected, right? And anything else? Okay, put in some characters. Now what is wrong? What is different? This is very different. Okay. Still the same thing? What has happened here? Totally different behavior. Okay, let's go back to the 101. Alright. Serial monitor. Is Get using the bridge? Yes, it is. most definitely. Alright. What is going on? Do I get this? I don't think so. Okay. It has uploaded this value again. It isn't working now, but the big question now is why? Unable to connect. Why? From a success to nothing. Alright, let's go back to 1. On the other hand, I wish to use this one. Very simply because this one seemed to work at first. Or was it a happy coincidence? Should I restart Arduino or this IDE? The LEDs are off totally. Alright, let me just restart the Arduino stuff. Yes, I'm here. Everything is still there. Clearly, monitor. Unable to connect. Alright, something to solve, or not? Alright, send. Characters, send. Is doing nothing. Let's see what we can do. Alright, what I tried is to put it back to 001. The motor doesn't want to start again, and after the authorization fail it still says connected to console. And it doesn't do anything. So as yet I have no clue what it is that is going wrong. This is very weird. Not really a clue why this is happening. If I take a look here, this is not really enlightening, but this happened every time the serial console went nuts. And once again, when I do this, let's wait for some result. No result. Some characters, go, nothing. I haven't changed this one, I haven't changed this one. And without LED burning, there's nothing happening. Only one thing I can think of is powering off everything. See if that solves the matter. So that means losing the connection, etc. Will that help in any way? Let's just try, because this is not really helpful and helping. So we'll see. I have tried a few things, upon which one is a complete reboot of the Arduino. And I have changed this back from 001 to 101. Also, this one leading to nothing. So whatever has happened, I am not sure, which is very unfortunate. Because if you don't know where it is, you can't solve it. As this was the final part of the video anyway, thank you for watching this unfortunately as yet temporary very good result. Tried some code, added ports, and a running motor which was a joy to see. Why the monitor is acting up, I have no clue. I tried the console of this one, going into root. I couldn't get it working. I have to look back what it was. For now, thank you for watching again. If you like this video, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and you can please visit my website for more information. Also, if you want to make a small donation to keep a blog and videos alive and coming, and this is certainly going to be continued. So, bye bye.